In this video, I will show you how to check Instagram call history. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what we're going to do is open up Instagram. So you just want to go ahead and open up Instagram on your device. Then what you need to do is come and click onto your messenger icon. So that's up here in the top right hand corner to be taken to your messages. Now, there's not actually a way to view your entire call history. What you're basically going to want to do is press onto the person that you want to check the call history for. So for example, this person at the top, if I press onto their name, you can see the call history. So you can see there was a call started at 2 p.m. today. And of course, we can scroll through and see the different call history. So although there's not a way to check the call history for everything, what you can do is check the specific person. And on each person, if you have made a call, you're going to see the call in the message history. So for example, going back to this one, when we press onto this person, we can see all the different calls that have been made to this person. So that is how to check the Instagram call history. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.